So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday, the 18th of April. Now, let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 34.51, held support, and from which we've seen this move up here towards the above the 13.44.26 level we previously found resistance. Now we've gone into a bit of a trading range, and we have found further resistance in around the 1350 level, in around 1348, 1350, from which we have seen that sell side momentum come into the market. So we have not seen the breakout to the upside to retest that 1357.22. Instead, what we have seen is we've seen some weakness here in around that 1344, between 1344 and 1350. Now, we've had the breakdown come down towards this level that we did mention in the previous video, in around that 1337, where we do have the added confluence of a 200 and 400 period moving average, and the moving average confluence acted as support and has seen us move back above the 1344.26. We've now retested 1344.26, and the market does appear weak at the moment. So if we do see this breakdown from the 1344.26, we're looking to see our prices react again towards that moving average confluence of a 200 and 400 period moving average. But if we do break from there, we're looking for price to progress down towards our 1334.51, which an area which we previously found support. And if we do break down from 1334.51, 1328 should come into focus, the very next level of potential support, after which we're looking for prices to retrace all the way back down towards the 1320, which is a very strong major level here on the XAUUSD. Now, if we do see, because we do appear weak, but if we do see, we do head back above the 1344.26, and we are able to hold it with a certain degree of strength, we're then looking for prices to progress towards our 1350, from which we did see previously sell side momentum. Again, if we do break above 1350, we are looking for prices to progress towards our 1357.22, a major swing here in the market, and a break beyond which we're looking for 1361, and beyond 1361, 1365, the 400 period moving average on the weekly chart, and beyond 1365, we're looking for prices to progress towards our 1367.10 here to the upside. Now we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart, just to see how prices are developing here on the XAUUSD. And here on the daily chart, we can see that we've formed our lows here. We've formed our higher lows in around 1320. We do appear to be forming another higher low in around 1334.51, but we need to see this progression here to the upside to further validate the level. The continued weakness we've seen from this 1334.51 is somewhat of concern. There is a possibility of seeing a retracement back to that level to test. If we do find major support for a retest of 1357 here on the daily chart, on this perspective, we're looking to see for us to head up towards our 1367. Ideally, we need to have a close above the 1357 level for that continued progression here to the upside up towards our 1367.10, and beyond which we're looking for that 1375, the highs of 2016. Now, with that said, that wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.